There is an experiment in physics that behaves differently depending on whether it's being observed. Not because someone interferes with it, not because the experiment changes. It behaves differently simply because it's being watched. And even today, scientists still argue about why. So, let's start simple. Imagine a wall with two very small slits. Behind it, there is a screen. If you fire particles at the wall, you would expect to see two lines on the screen. That's normal. That makes sense. But when light passes through the slits, something strange happens. Instead of two lines, a wave pattern appears. Light behaves like a wave. Strange, but still understandable. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Scientists tried the same experiment with electrons, real particles with mass. And somehow they also produced a wave pattern, as if electrons passed through both slits at the same time. So, scientists ask a simple question. What happens if we try to see which slits the particle goes through? They placed detectors at the slits, and the moment measurement was introduced, the wave pattern disappeared. When unobserved, it's a wave. When observed, it's a particle. Same experiment, different results. The only difference was observation. Now, let's be clear. This doesn't mean human consciousness creates reality. Science doesn't claim that. But it also doesn't fully explain why reality behaves this way. And that's the uncomfortable part. So, maybe the real question isn't what reality is made of. Maybe the real question is why reality changes when it's observed. And what exactly counts as an observer? Double-slit experiment doesn't give us answers. It gives us questions. And maybe those questions are the ones we don't ask often enough. This is question we don't ask. Thank you for watching.